Cleaning can be a hassle, but having the right tools makes a big difference. I have listed the best 20 Amazon cleaning tools that actually work and can help make your cleaning routine easier. These products are useful, effective, and worth considering for your home. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Blade-made ceiling fan cleaner. Designed for effortless cleaning, this multitasker tackles dust, dirt, and grime on ceiling fans, lighting fixtures, blinds, and more. Its unique four-sided cleaning sleeve securely fits fan blades up to 7 3/8 inches, ensuring a thorough clean in one motion. The easy grip, telescoping handle extends up to 3 feet, keeping you safely on the ground. Removable, machine-washable microfiber pads enhance convenience, allowing reuse with household cleaners for an effective, eco-friendly clean. Revolution Studio Brush Dust Sucker. A versatile household tool, this multifunctional cleaner removes dust, dirt, and pet hair from clothing, furniture, carpets, and floors. Featuring a static brush, it effectively attracts and traps debris, ensuring a spotless surface. The rolling design makes maneuvering easy, reaching even tight spaces with precision. With a removable, washable brush head, maintenance is effortless, keeping it fresh for repeated use. This efficient dust remover provides a hygienic home environment, eliminating stubborn pet hair and debris. Pulidiky Car Cleaning Gel. This innovative car cleaning gel effortlessly removes dust and debris from air vents, steering wheels, dashboards, and hard-to-reach spots. Easy to use, simply knead and press the putty onto surfaces, lifting dirt away without residue. Made from high-quality, lightly fragranced materials, it's gentle on interiors while offering effective cleaning. Reusable until darkened, it should be stored in its jar between uses. Beyond cars, it cleans keyboards and other water-resistant surfaces in homes and offices. Hey Jar Fruit Cleaner Device. Using advanced hydroxy water ion purification, this cleaner removes over 99% of harmful residues from fruits, vegetables, meat, and more. It efficiently purifies in 3 steps: electrolysis, degradation, and deep purification. Simple to use, it operates at the press of a button, completing a cleaning cycle in just 10 minutes. Its compact, wireless design, powered by a rechargeable battery, ensures portability for home or travel. Enjoy cleaner, fresher food with this safe and effective device. Orbit Gutter Cleaning Wand. Reaching clogged gutters has never been easier with this extendable cleaning wand, which extends from 40 to 70 inches. Its durable, lightweight construction allows effortless handling, while the 180-degree rotating zinc nozzle provides adjustable water direction for precise cleaning. Featuring a 4-position spray head, it easily adapts to various angles, ensuring optimal performance. The non-slip padded grip enhances comfort and insulation, making gutter cleaning more efficient and hassle-free for every season. Moku Home Shower Scrubber. This long-handled shower scrubber eliminates the need for bending, with an adjustable length ranging from 47.5 to 58 inches. Featuring a 3-in-1 multipurpose design, it effectively cleans surfaces like porcelain, tile, glass, and stainless steel. The pivoting, pointed head reaches corners and tight spaces effortlessly. Built with high-quality steel and a padded handle, it ensures durability and comfort. Replaceable cleaning heads are easy to rinse and reuse, making bathroom and household cleaning a breeze. AIDEA Cleaning Cloth Roll. Offering the convenience of disposable paper towels with the durability of microfiber, this cleaning cloth roll is perfect for tackling spills, dust, and grime. Designed for high absorbency, it quickly soaks up liquids, making it ideal for kitchen, car, and workshop use. Each cloth is reusable and long-lasting, withstanding multiple washes while maintaining effectiveness. Lint-free and ultra-soft, it ensures streak-free cleaning on delicate surfaces like glass, mirrors, and electronics without leaving scratches. Chavri Window Cleaner Robot. This high-tech window cleaning robot ensures spotless windows with minimal effort. Its double spiral cleaning head effectively cleans glass surfaces, including high-rise windows. With powerful 5,600 pascal suction, it securely adheres while AI technology calculates the best cleaning route. Featuring 3 automatic cleaning modes and manual control, it adapts to various needs. Safety is prioritized with an uninterruptible power system and anti-fall features. A high-strength lanyard provides added protection, making window cleaning safer and easier. IT Duster's Air Duster Blower. Designed for powerful and eco-friendly dust removal, this air duster offers 2-speed settings to clean delicate and heavy-duty surfaces. Equipped with 6 interchangeable nozzles and 3 ESD brushes, it efficiently removes debris from electronics, appliances, and hard-to-reach areas. The compact yet durable design includes an energy-efficient 480-watt motor, replacing the need for wasteful canned air. Made from ESD-protected ABS material, it ensures safe use in industrial settings while providing superior performance. Hammer-to toilet bowl brush holder set. Deep cleaning toilet bowls is effortless with this ergonomic brush featuring dense, flexible S-shaped bristles. Designed to reach under the rim and into grooves, it removes stains and odors effectively. The curved brush head allows 360-degree cleaning, tackling hard-to-reach areas with ease. A ventilated, open holder ensures quick drying, preventing water buildup and odors. The elongated, non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing thorough cleaning without bending. Keep your bathroom fresh and hygienic with this efficient set. Chapin Bleach Sprayer. 1-gallon poly tank offers chemical resistance with a translucent design for easy monitoring. The wide mouth opening allows hassle-free filling and cleaning, while the ergonomic pump handle ensures secure closure. A funnel-top design minimizes splashing. Made in the USA with global materials, it comes with US-based support and a 1-year warranty. Bleach-resistant seals and gaskets handle strong cleaning solutions. The adjustable poly spray nozzle provides precision control with a lockable poly shut-off handle for convenience. Holicme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Improve home dryer performance with a specialized brush designed to clean trapped lint and dust in vents and exhaust ports. Prevent potential fire hazards by removing buildup in dryer vent pipes. A thoughtful home improvement cleaning tool, it's also effective for cleaning dust and pet hair under furniture and appliances. Note: check product size before purchasing, as some dryers, like Miele models, may not be compatible. Wear gloves while straightening and using the brush for added safety. Markehan Mop Slippers. Premium material construction with soft chenille fiber and a high elastic band ensures lightweight and highly absorbent cleaning. Easy to use and reusable, these mop socks fit barefoot or as shoe covers, effortlessly picking up dust without leaving marks. Mop slippers for floor cleaning bring a fun and practical solution for families, keeping floors clean with minimal effort. A wide application range allows use with mops, making them ideal for cleaning doors, windows, cars, and kitchen surfaces. Swab ITS Phone Swabs. Best-selling phone swabs are included in a versatile kit with various shapes and sizes. Washable and reusable, these high-quality swabs ensure durability for multiple applications. Whether used for precision cleaning or applying substances, they provide an effective and economical solution. Made in the USA, the swabs offer superior quality, ensuring reliability and long-lasting use. With their soft foam texture, they are perfect for delicate cleaning needs in electronics, optics, firearms, and hard-to-reach areas. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. Versatile 17-piece kit includes specialized attachments for deep cleaning floors, kitchens, bathrooms, vehicles, and more. Powerful steam cleaning delivers superheated steam to break down grease and grime effortlessly, eliminating dirt without harsh chemicals. Eco-friendly cleaning ensures a safe environment for homes, pets, and families by using only water. Compact and portable design allows easy maneuverability and access to tight spaces. A large tank capacity provides up to 50 minutes of continuous steam, ensuring extended cleaning sessions. Dogness Automatic Dog Paw Cleaner. Detachable soft silicone brushes with 187 dense food-grade bristles provide a gentle, injury-free cleaning experience while soothing paw muscles. Optimal and quick cleaning offers 2-speed settings, low for basic cleaning and high for deep scrubbing after outdoor adventures. One-handed operation makes cleaning easy with a single button for control. A rechargeable battery powers the unit for up to 10 days on a full charge. Designed with convenience in mind, it doubles as a grooming brush during bath time. Bastion Garbage Disposal Cleaner. Top quality and best value with 50 premium lemon zest scented cleaning drops in a resealable pouch. Save money and the environment with compact packaging, reducing plastic waste and emissions. Safe and effective cleaning uses D-limonene, a citrus-derived ingredient, to break down fats, oils, and food particles while maintaining a septic-safe, fresh-smelling disposal. Easy to use, simply run hot water, drop in a cleaner, and activate the disposal for 15 seconds. For optimal results, use twice per week. Fon Top Cup Washer. 360-degree rotating water flow with 9 high-pressure jets thoroughly cleans cup surfaces in seconds. Widely used for drinkware with an opening diameter of 0.6 to 4.2 inches, accommodating baby bottles, coffee mugs, wine glasses, and cocktail shakers. Upgrade design includes a check valve for backflow protection, water conservation, and compatibility with granite or marble countertops. Rugged and durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity. Includes premium accessories such as a braided hose and adapter tee for easy installation. Unga Compact Cleaning Bucket. Ergonomic rectangular mopping bucket with a compact design, ideal for small cleaning tasks and tools up to 14 inches. Convenient pour spouts make emptying easy, with built-in measurement marks for accuracy. Built to go the distance with durable plastic construction, ensuring longevity for everyday cleaning needs. Easy portability is ensured with a comfortable grip handle for effortless transport. Lightweight and narrow, it fits seamlessly into storage spaces while providing an efficient, no-spill cleaning experience. Von Fawn Paint Sprayer. 4 nozzles and 3 spray patterns offer versatility for furniture, walls, doors, and garden projects. Unique blowing and cleaning functions allow dust removal before painting and easy post-use cleanup with a faucet connector. Easy to use and clean assembly makes it beginner-friendly, with an included brush and needle for thorough maintenance. Adjustable flow control customizes paint output, ensuring precise application while reducing waste. This powerful 700W sprayer delivers professional results with minimal effort. Keeping your home spotless has never been easier with these 20 Amazon cleaning tools that actually get the job done. Whether you're tackling tough stains, dusting hard-to-reach spots, or making everyday chores a breeze, these game-changing gadgets are here to save you time and effort. Want to grab any of these for yourself? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews.